All right, so I want to connect today's lesson to a real life example of how you're going to use it. So the New Jersey plan, they talked about the power to collect taxes. And today we're going to look at taxes and your career tech lab. So there's going to be an assignment in Google Documents. And what it's going to ask you is to think of some tools, equipment, or gear that you will need for your career tech lab. Okay, in the left-hand column, you're going to list those three tools in the column, 1, 2, 3. Right in the left-hand column. Please list the brand, maybe what website you pulled this from, the make, the type of it, and why do you need these for your career tech lab? On the right-hand column, what you're going to do is you're going to price it out. So how much is your tool? So like a miter saw, how much is it? All right, before tax. So don't even worry about tax yet. And then what we're going to do is, let me show you in 1 minute what we're going to do. So let's say for teaching, all right, this year I definitely need a laptop because it is all online. So let's look up laptop deals for Mr. Daines. All right, let's check out. Let's do Best Buy. All right, I'm surprised there's still Best Buy. Let's go to it. Let's check it out. All right, I'm not going to be picky because I only got 5 minutes with how long this video can be. So let's go with Apple. Whoa, look at all. Oh, wow, that's expensive. All right, Mr. Daines could definitely afford that. So we got this MacBook Air, 13.3 inches. With Touch ID, Intel, look at that. I know all you IT students know what this means because I don't know what these numbers mean. So look at that. Let's go with 949. Let's round up. This laptop's going to cost Mr. Daines $950. So what I would do is I would go back to my document and I would put in here, laptop, the brand, Apple, all its cool, unique features, touchscreen, things like that, how much gigabytes it can hold. And, it came out to about $950. So knowing this, what you're going to do, you're going to, let's say I find, two more items. Let's say I find, a really cool clipboard for $21. All right. And I like Post-it notes, but I like those really big Post-it notes that you can hang up on the board. And that way you guys can write on them. That's what we would usually do. And those usually come out to about $45 for a huge pack of them. So let's go to our calculator, our handy dandy calculator. Because in the assignment, what it's asking is, what are the total all these three items? So I have my computer, I have my Post-it note, and I have my clipboard. All right, so let's add these up. $950. 950 plus my $21 clipboard plus my $45 Post-it notes. All right, comes out to about $1,000, $1,016. So $1,016. All right, so I would mark this right here. And that's it, right? So those items are $1,016. Let's say I go to the store and get all those. That's it, right? No, it's not. We have a state sales tax. In sales tax, it differs from state to state. Sorry, I am struggling with my computer today. That's why I need a new one. So sales tax by state, it differs state to state. So let me make sure I have enough time here. All right, I unpaused myself. I got about 1 minute, 30 seconds left. So, I already shared a map with you guys, but sales tax rates, let's take a look. I know it's hard to see. Hold on. So this is actually perfect right here. So Ohio's about 7.17%. This was reflected in, it doesn't say the year, but my map is the most up-to-date, the one I put on Google Classroom. But look at some states, they're almost 10%. That's a lot in sales taxes. Look at Montana, Oregon. They don't even have a sales tax. So what we have to do is calculate, how much am I paying in sales tax? So what you're going to do is you're going to do the total amount in sales tax. So that total, 1016 times 0.07. That 0.07 reflects the sales tax in Ohio. So let's do it. Let's see how much we're going to be paying in sales tax. 0.07 and equals about $71.12 in sales tax. That's pretty expensive just in tax money. 71.12. And then what you're going to do here, you want to find your grand total. So you're going to have to add your total of your items from up here, and you're going to add that to your sales tax, and you're going to find your grand total. All right. So that is what our assignment is today. You can use Amazon. You can use any websites you want. Make sure they have to do with your career tech lab. So my aviation students, public safety, fire, electricity, all my labs, construction, digital design and print. Make sure it has to do with your career tech field. All right. If you have any questions, please email me. Let me know.